How to integrate Squarespace with Calendly. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how we can integrate both Squarespace and Calendly. So first you will need to get started with Calendly, and obviously without being said you will need to have both accounts for Squarespace and Calendly. So anyways, once this is, we have this, we can just go to Calendly first. And then from Calendly we basically want to create an event that we actually want to integrate to Squarespace. There's no like entire integration. And instead you actually want to create an event, and then you can just go ahead and add it to your Squarespace. So just go ahead and create an event here. I'm just going to go for the create button on the top left. Make it one-on-one for me. And then I'm just going to give it a name here, test event. The duration of the event, I'm just going to leave it as 45 minutes. Location, I'm just going to continue without even adding a location, because this is just an example here. And then obviously you have more details here that you can go for. For example, the event details here, scheduling settings. Let's just go ahead and change that a little bit. Or actually it is perfect for me, so I'm just going to click on save and close. And for buffer time, you can just go ahead and set it up so there's a 10-minute buffer time and minimum notice and all of those things. So just go ahead and set up the event to your liking. I'm not really going to dive deep into how to set up an event here. But yeah, there's a lot that you can go for. So just go ahead and set it up accordingly. And then once this is done, we can just go ahead and click on done. And we should have our event in here, so in the home page of Calendly. So now that you have your event ready to go, basically we want to click on the share option on the bottom right here. So just go ahead and click on share, and then it's going to be share a link, and we don't want that. Instead, we want to click on add to website option on the top right and click on the first option, which is inline embed. So just go ahead and do that and click on continue. And then this is just going to give you the code here for you. Now I'm just going to go ahead and copy this code. So just click on copy code at the top, bottom right here. And then we are pretty much done with Calendly. So next we just want to go to our Squarespace account. Click on edit to the page that you want to add it to. And then we can just go ahead and add a section right here. So we can just, add the event here. And then you would want to add a block. And you would want to add the embed or code, actually, the code block basically. And you want to also align it wherever you want. Double click on it, and then you want to just highlight this, remove it, and paste in the code. And once this is done, it's just going to actually create the integration here for us. Now, let me just go ahead and save and exit. And hopefully this is actually going to work, because this is a test, or maybe it's not actually going to allow me to, but this is pretty much how to do it. But hopefully, yeah, you can see actually now that we have the test event, and it's going to look a little something like this. So this is pretty much how to integrate Squarespace with Calendly. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.